Hey guys, it's Jamie and I'm with ImageWorks Consulting, and I want to talk with you real quick about featured images and why they matter in terms of social sharing. Sometimes you'll share a link on Facebook. This is B, by the way. Say hi, B. Hi. Sometimes you'll share a link on Facebook and the data doesn't come through and it just shows as a link and it's really ugly. And if you're posting this on your business page especially, it's not something that someone is necessarily going to want to click on. And the whole point of social sharing and making your blog attractive on a social network is to get people to click. And if the link is ugly, if it has no image, nobody's going to click on it. Nobody's going to read it. So we want to be sure that we add a featured image so that Facebook has an opportunity to query that data and pull it through when it shares that content. So what if we don't? What if we forget? What if we just haven't yet? Oh my goodness. And we've already shared a link on Facebook and it doesn't work and it doesn't show up in a kind of attractive way. Well, there's one thing that we definitely need to do is run the Facebook Debugger tool. And the Facebook Debugger tool is something that Facebook developers have just for us to use. And what it does is it scrapes the information that's attached to that link off of the link and it resets it. So in the same way, when we visit a new website, that website stores cookies on our computer, and that cookie makes the next time we visit that website, the website will load faster for us. The same thing is true with Facebook. Every time someone shares anything on Facebook, Facebook stores data associated with that link attached to it. And so if you share your link on Facebook and it has no image attached to it and you didn't include any metadata or a meta description, you're not using any of your SEO tools for WordPress, then that link information is set and stored unless you go in and use the Facebook Debugger tool to reset it. So do a Google search, Facebook Debugger. I'll include a link underneath this video for the Debugger tool as well. But that's like the simplest way to make sure that your links are well dressed for social sharing. If you still run into problems after that, it's probably just Facebook. And you'll just need to try again later, use the Debugger tool in a couple of hours and just try it again. So hope that helps. Again, I'm Jamie with ImageWorks, imageworks.com.